The momentum trade has been caught up a lot in all of this, and it's one of the reasons why the NASDAQ has found it difficult to find stability. We should touch Palantir. You guys, you and Bryn both own it. This week, you know, it's tried to get a little bit of a bounce. But other names like AppLovin down 20 this week %, Carvana, Constellation, Vista, Vertiv. What's your take here on the Palantirs of the world?
2 weeks ago, I think it was, maybe 3 weeks ago, I was on the show here with you, and I did say I had alerts at 90 and alerts below 80 in Palantir. I think 75 to 80 is the real great sweet spot, and I'm going to use the word love to see the selling slow here. This is really best in breed. I think this really highlights a time right now where you want to be picking, if you want to own these volatile names, you want to own the best in the space that they're competing in.
Yes, but you want to make sure you own them at the correct price.
With that said, I mean, my goal as a manager is not to catch every turn in the market, but the names that we've owned has provided us significant outperformance over the last 2 years. So, yeah, maybe we're underperforming here in this moment in time, and I think with the market trading below a 200-day moving average and some of the uncertainties that we've all been talking about, there's time to go to the drawing board and say, is there a bigger change that we need to be ready for? And I'm not ready to say that yet, especially like a name like Palantir, again, coming into that sweet spot. It's some of the froth is really coming out, but these names are all hitting cash flow to earnings. I mean everything is cash flow multiples. These names are right in the wheelhouse of where you want to see them.
Well,
right in the wheelhouse of where you want to see them. I mean, they're trading. I don't remember. This thing is trading at a significant multiple to sales.
I think it's like 70 to sales.
Yeah, not necessarily Palantir. I'm just talking about the broad.
Well, we were talking about Palantir specifically.
I think with Palantir,
we're all on the same page.
I mean, we're both shareholders, right? So I think with Palantir, you have the Palantirians that have been long-term, we'll say, hodlers of the stock at 6, 7, 8, which is kudos for them because that was all retail, believing about this company. I think there are a lot of investors that bought this stock north of 81.
100%.
And that to me is where how many people are going to hold on. And so I don't have confidence of where this stops because I think so much of the investor base was momentum versus the real owners of Palantir that have been long-term believers. And so I think this is going to be a company to own long-term. I'm still personally unclear where I should step into this name because the chart still looks, the 200-day is at $51. It may not go there, but I think there's a lot of people underwater in this name.